the 2021 Honda CRF450R Works Edition. We are at Kaweah Creek. Let's go take this thing for a ride. All right, what's up guys? Doing a different style video today with a little voiceover. We just finished riding the CRF450R Works Edition. Let's dive into this thing and see what you get for the extra $2,800 more than what you would spend on a standard CRF. Starting with the full throttle jockey graphics kit and seat cover, this bike looks pretty much exactly like Ken Roczen's race bike. You also get a full Yoshimura exhaust system. This is the RS12 muffler, the titanium with the carbon tip. You're also going to get the exhaust header. That's an expensive system right there, so coming with that standard is really cool. You also get the full Hinson basket and the outer cover. That comes standard as well. You also get the coated fork tubes and the DLC coated lower tubes. This bike also has an 18mm rear shock shaft that is DLC coated. The standard model has a 16mm shock shaft that is not DLC coated. So definitely an A-kit style suspension straight from the factory. You're also going to get DID LTX rims, which are stronger, an RK gold chain. This is our standard CRF that we've been riding. Here's a look at the exhaust, the standard exhaust system. Obviously no graphic kit from the factory, no seat cover, nothing like that. You do get the black DID Dirt Star rims, which are pretty cool. In another video that is on my channel, we did some modifications like bars, grips, and levers. You can check that out. This is like standard fork tubes. The bike is known to be a little softer, which is a bit of a bummer. We've been working on that. The Works Edition also has a ported cylinder head and a red cylinder head cover. The standard edition obviously does not have that. So big question, is the $2,800 worth it? I think it is. There's a lot of extra goodies that you get that you would probably spend more than $2,800 on if you were to go buy these things from your regular dealer. The other question is it worth it out on the track? So one thing that people have been complaining about from the new Honda is the ECU and how it's a little bit dirty, how there's a little bit of a bog on it. Obviously we have felt that as well on our bike. The Works Edition has a flashed ECU, so it is not an issue on the new bike. This bike, if this was what Honda gave us for the 450 shootout this year, then I definitely probably would have picked it as my number one. Right here, coming up these hills, is just the power just comes on and never ends, which I really like about this bike. It's so fun to ride, but it's also really smooth. What I kind of compared it to is fast like how the 18, 19, 20 bike was, but smooth like the 21 is. So if you paired those two together, that's kind of how this bike feels. The other thing is it really has everything that we would add to a Honda. It has the exhaust, it has the porting, it has better suspension. It also, they added the nice Renthal Kevlar grips, so pretty much anything that you would have done to your standard CRF or that we want to do to our standard CRF, this bike already comes with. And I think there's something to be said having that straight off the dealership floor. Like I said, an extra $2,800, that's going to be your call whether you're going to fork up that money to start with, but definitely a good improvement on the standard model, and excited to spend some more time on this bike. If you guys like this video, I'm going to keep doing some more of these. Give me a like, follow, and subscribe, and there will be more. Hopefully you can enjoy this fast lap on the GoPro, and we'll see you next time.